Welcome. Today we're focusing on English phonics from grade R to grade 3. In this segment, we're exploring grade beginning sounds and we'll be making a pom-pom pop game.
Hi everybody, it's me, Mandy. Today we're going to be making a game for phonics. Now this game is great to play with grade R's when they've learnt a few of their initial sounds. And I'm going to show you different ways of playing the game, but we're going to start first with what do you need to make this game. So you're going to need some cups, a tray, some little cards. I just added this little bit onto the cards so that they can stand above the cup, some press stick and a marker. You're also going to need some pom-poms and tweezers, and I've put them in a big clear container so you can see them over here. Alrighty, so let's go to it. So you're going to think about the initial sounds that your children have learned so far in class, and you're going to write them on these little cards. So you're going to have 6 of them, start with 6 sounds. You can always build it up if you want to and add more cups. So I'm going to do the letter S. There you go. All right, and then you're going to put it on your cup with some press stick. Just secure it at the back, and that's how it sits in the cup, like that, just so that the children can see it clearly. All right, so once you've made a whole lot of cups, this is what it's going to look like. There you go. And this is how we play the game. So we're going to start very basic. Children, can you tell me which of these sounds makes the sound? And your children are going to come and they're going to show you by picking up a pom-pom and by popping it in the cup that says Children, how about the sound that says S? There you go, pick it up and pop it in. These are also great for fine motor skills, using your fine motor skills in conjunction with your letters. Here we go, and here's another one. And which one says N? There you go. Pop it in the cup. Once the children are good at playing this game, they can play it with friends. They love to play it in pairs, and that's how you start. So how do we get it a little bit more challenging? Well, once they know their sounds really well, you can give them words. You can say, grade R's, which sound starts the letter, which sound starts with this word? Mountain. And they must be able to identify the sound at the beginning of the word and pop it in the cup. Grade R's, which sound starts in this word? Sunshine. There you go. And grade R's, which sound starts this word? Nosipo. There we go. Pop it in the cup. Fantastic. Now, of course, as you move along in the year, your children might be getting really good at rhyming words. Maybe they've got some rhyming words that they would like to have. I just made those. There we go. All your at rhyming words. These are also CVC words, so children will be able to sound them out as well and read them. So this one starts with at, and it makes the word hat. And you can pop those in your cup as well. Later on in the year, at the very end of the year, they may be learning some sight words. So here are some very beginning sight words for the end of grade R. Was, said, to, one, the, and there we go. Of course, you can add more cups if you want to. Keep them on the tray, just keeps the game nice and neat. And once children are able to play the game with you, then they'll be able to play it with their friends and have lots of fun. So I hope you had fun making this game for your class. Goodbye.
Wow, what a useful idea to use in an English lesson. After the break, we'll explore grade 1 language activities for lessons. Welcome back. In this segment, we explore in Grade 1 recognition of common consonant digraphs such as sh, ch, and th at the end of a word, such as sh in fish, sh in much, and th in with. And we'll be making a game called Snap the Diagraph. Enjoy!
Hello everyone, my name's Robin, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a game called Snap. And it's simple because we're going to just make cards using our words. The first thing that we're doing, we're learning about digraphs, and digraphs are two letters that make one sound. So let's think of words that make up digraphs, that have digraphs in them. The first one that I'm thinking of is the word m, a, ch. And there you can spot the digraph. So it's two letters that make one sound. All right, then because we're doing the ch digraph, let's think of another word, s, a, ch, such. And there's the digraph at the end. I'm going to give you a few more. See if you can spot the digraph in this next word. W-I-sh, wish. So our digraph is with a sh sound now. So we're looking at ch and we're looking at sh. Shall I give you another sh sound? Okay. And the next word is fish. Another one with a sh digraph. There it is at the end. F-I-sh, fish. Now we want to make some snap cards with these words. Okay, so let me put my whiteboard down. You're going to use some card or paper, whatever you can find. You can even use old boxes. And you're going to measure out cards, but they have to be the same size so that you can't see any difference between them. So I'm going to measure mine about 8 centimeters apart. And then we're going to cut it to size. So 8 centimeters, I draw my line across. And you can make as many snap cards as you want. If you want to make 9, 4, but they have to be in pairs, and I'm going to show you why I say that. So 8 centimeters down, and then I'm going to measure another 8 centimeters across, 8 centimeters wide. Okay. And then you can cut them out so that they are identical. So there you can see it. I've drawn a line. Now you will cut them out. And I'm doing it on 2 pages because I want 2 exact sizes. All right. And here I'll show you the finished product. Once you've cut it out, you should have little blocks or squares like this. And now you're going to use your words on your whiteboard and write them with Kokies. So I've got 2 of each. And how we play snap, you can either play it with a partner. Well, you need to play it with a partner or a teacher or an adult. And you would hand out the cards to one another. And if you match, so there's fish, such, dish, wish, wish, and snap. So as soon as you have a match, you would say snap. Another way that you can use these cards is using it as a memory game. So you would line it up over each other, or line them up underneath each other rather. And let's turn over 1 card at a time. It's not a match, much and with, not a match. So I turn it over, and you would keep going until you find your match. Now much and much, there's the match, so that's mine. So memory game is another way that you can use it, by trying to find the 2 that match together. Have fun making these snap cards and play memory game or snap.
Wow, that Grade 1 resource really helps to build language skills. After the break, we will explore an idea for Grade 2. See you soon. Welcome back. In this segment, we're exploring Grade 2 English phonics, silent E and we'll be making a game, Match the Silent E. Let's have fun.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. My name is Liziwe and I'm going to be teaching you all about diagraphs. What is a diagraph? A diagraph are two letters that make one sound. For example, an S and an H make a sh sound. So, as you can see here, all the letters that are circled in red are our vowels, and the letters that are not circled are our consonants. So a split diagraph that we are going to be focusing on today uses vowels, two vowels to make a sound. For example, the word same, it has two letters, an A and an E. So we use the first letter A just as we sound it out in the alphabet. So the vowel is cut or split like this to make that sound. So the E is at the end and the A is at the beginning, and you sound only the A. Right, and same for the word rude, you. And same for the E split E sound as in Steve. Same for the word fine, I split E. And same for the letter phone, O split E. So those are our diagraphs, our vowel diagraphs. So for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make your own magic E wand. So what you need for today's lesson, you are going to need some paper. You can use this paper for writing all your words that you want to practice. And this is going to be for your magic E rainbow. Like this is how it's going to look like when it's done. So you first need to draw your rainbow like this, and then add a star at the end of your rainbow. You can then draw all the lines for your rainbow, all your 7 lines for your 7 colors of the rainbow, just to make it pretty and fun. So once you are done, you then need to color in. This is how it's going to look like when you are done. You cut it out and stick it on a stick using your sellotape. Like that. Now I'm going to show you how you can use your rainbow magic E stick to turn these words into a split diagram. First, we have the word fin. How will we change it into a split diagram? By putting the magic stick over there. So the word fin will become fine. And this word is can. And when you put a split diagram there, it becomes cane. And this word is not. When you bring a split diagram there, it becomes note. Cut. There comes split diagram, cute. Sam. There comes split diagram, same. Pin. There comes split diagram, pine. So now that you have learned all about the split diagram, also known as the magic E, you can go ahead, write down some words and place them around your house to practice putting your split diagram in front of the word and changing its sound and the meaning. Have fun and goodbye.
Wow, that grade 2 language resource will be useful. After the break, we'll explore an idea for grade 3. Welcome back. In this segment, we're exploring grade 3 English phonics, word recognition, namely sight words, and we'll be making the flipping eggs game. Let's be creative.
Hi everyone, my name is Sadia. Today I'm going to show you how to play a sight word game called frying eggs. This is what it looks like. You're going to have a frying pan, a spatula, and we are going to fry some sight word eggs. To make these resources, you are going to need some white cardboard, a paper plate, some glue, a pair of scissors, a cardboard box cut out that is in a long rectangular shape, a cardboard box cut out which is in a smaller rectangular shape, a square cardboard cut out, a yellow crayon or color pencil, and some whiteboard markers. Let's start by making the frying pan. You are going to need your long rectangular shaped cardboard box and your paper plate and the glue. You're going to open your glue, put some on the one end, and stick it to the end of the paper plate. This creates your frying pan, and let it dry on the side. Next, we are going to make our spatula. You are going to need the long piece of your rectangular cutout for the handle, and then on the square piece, using a whiteboard marker, you are going to draw the shape of a spatula to look like this. Then, using your pair of scissors, you are going to cut it out. Apply some glue to the end of your spatula cut out and add your handle to make your spatula. Put that on the side to dry. Next, we are going to make some eggs. Using your white sheet of cardboard and your black marker, draw some eggs. Don't forget the yolk in the center. Do this on a whole page so that you have lots of eggs to write sight words on like that. Next, you are going to use your yellow color to color in all the yolks. Now they're starting to look like real eggs. There we go. Once you've done this, using your pair of scissors, you are going to cut your eggs out so that you have lots of eggs to work from. Using your different colors of markers, you are going to write down one sight word on each egg. Remember to use the sight words that the children are currently doing that week, and you can add on more eggs every time they learn new sight words. Can, he, when, she, and why. Now that all our resources are made, it's time to play. Have your frying pan near you and your spatula. What children are going to do is they are going to lift an egg, say what the word is, said. If they say it correctly, they get to put it on the frying pan. If they say it incorrectly, they put it back down on the table to give it a second try. Let's try the next one. What? Oops, I think that was wrong. Let's put that down and we can think about it again. He, yes. The game is over when the children have fried all the eggs in their frying pan. I hope you have lots of fun frying eggs and learning your sight words. Bye.
That grade 3 language resource was really useful. Remember to make your learning fun and engaging. See you next time.